Hello charms, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to cover the meaning of term business. The term business is derived from the word busy. Therefore business means being busy. अगर हम बिजनेस की बात करें तो ये वर्ड बिजी टर्म से डिराइव हुआ है और इसका मतलब है किसी भी एक्टिविटी में, किसी भी काम में बिजी रहना. अगर हम प्रॉपर डेफिनेशन की बात करें तो बिजनेस रिफर्स टू एन ऑक्यूपेशन in which people regularly engage in activities related to purchase, production or sale of goods and services with the main aim of earning profits. तो बिजनेस क्या है बेटा? बिजनेस एक तरह का ऑक्यूपेशन है in which people regularly involve in a particular activity. This line is very important कि people are regularly involved. If you are doing a particular transaction just for one time, that will not be considered as a business activity. You have to perform the same transactions regularly, then only it will be considered as a business activity. So business is what? It is any occupation in which you are regularly involved. You are involved in purchase of goods, you are involved in selling of the goods, either you are producing the goods or you are providing the services, and this work you are doing with the main aim of earning profit. So that is what business. और अच्छे से समझे तो business is what? Business is defined as the repeated buying and selling or manufacturing of goods and services with an intention to earn profit, which involves the creation of wealth. अगर हम बात करें बिजनेस की चार्म्स तो बिजनेस एक तरह की इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी है अंडर विच वी बाई और सेल द गुड्स ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस टू अर्न द प्रॉफिट. प्रॉफिट अर्निंग इज द प्राइम ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ एवरी बिजनेस. So that's all about business. Thank you.